Okay, so now that you have your very own writing portfolio in Google Sites, I'm going to show you how to add individual pages that correspond with the English class that you're in, as well as the assignments that you will be uploading throughout the school year. So again, I've said it in all the videos, it's important to know that you are working in Google Chrome, not Internet Explorer, not on your phone or an iPad, because none of these things will work. So make sure that you're in Google Chrome if you're coming back to this step a little bit later, and then you're going to start creating those pages. So where we left off in the last video, we had selected our theme that we wanted. So if you go back over to where you did that and go to the left just one, click on the word pages, and that's going to take you to this little toolbar. All you'll see right now is home excuse me, and down at the bottom a plus sign. If you click on that plus sign, it will add a new page. And you're going to add a new page for the English that you are currently enrolled in. So I will just go ahead and start off with English 1 or 9th grade English, whichever your teacher wants or whatever you prefer. And I'm going to click Done, and now I have that page. If you would like to put what school year you were in, that particular grade level, you can. So I'll just go ahead with this upcoming school year. You've got 2019 to 2020. And then you've got your first page. If you wanted to go back and put in writing that you had done in previous years, you can add more pages. Or if you are a freshman and you want to go ahead and create a page for English 2, 3, and 4, you can do that. I'll go ahead, again, just for practice sake, type in English 2, done, and that would be 2020 through 2021. Then I'm going to add an English 3. That's year 2021 through 2022. And lastly, English 4, or senior English, 12th grade English. Click on Done. What did I say this last year was? Sorry. Okay. 2022. I'm sorry, I didn't remember what I put. 2022 through the class of 2023. Because this is going in descending order, I don't really like that. So I'm going to show you how you can actually, if you click on one of these pages, you can drag it down, and therefore we can put these in the correct order, or you can leave it how it was. I just prefer it to go down, English 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now you've got your individual pages. And this is where we want to start creating the subpages that go with the required writing samples that you will add throughout the school year. So if you hover over English 1 over here on the right hand side, you'll see where there's 3 little bubbles that pop up on the right hand side. So I want you to click on those 3 bubbles and see down here it says Add Subpage. I want you to click on that. We're going to title this first one Timed Writing, and click Done. And you see how it kind of offsets it here, and now we have a little subpage for timed writing. Now I want to create our first process writing. So I'm going to go back up to where it says English 1 and hover and see the 3 bubbles. Click on that, Add Subpage, Process Writing number 1. Done. Again, go up to English 1, hover over it till you see the 3 bubbles, click the bubbles, click Add Subpage, Process Writing number 2, done. And then for the final time, hover over English 1 again, hover over the 3 bubbles, Add Subpage, and this will be our writing reflection. And that's what you're going to do at the end of the year when you reflect on all the writing that you have done throughout the school year. So now we have an individual page for all of the different writing assignments that you're required to upload for the school year. If you wanted to go ahead and do all of these for your English 2, 3, and 4 classes, you can go ahead and do that at this time, because I don't imagine that things will change as you go through the next 4 years of school if you're a freshman. But that's all you need to know about that.